Hey all, welcome back to Some Dev Dude, and for this video we're just going to quickly go through how to get rid of some of those messages that you get while opening Burpsuite. This is just due to having an older version of Burpsuite installed. So just to show what errors I'm talking about, I'm just going to quickly open up Burpsuite. So your JRE appears to be version 11.0.11 from Debian. Burp has not been fully tested on this platform and you may experience problems. So what JRE means is Java Runtime Environment. I'm going to click OK and get to the second error, or the second message, that there is an update available. So we're going to tackle this one first. So this is a good one to notice, is we want to do a download from their release notes, or from their website. We're just going to click on their release notes. That will take us to their website, and what we want to do is we want to change from professional, because we haven't paid, or I, in this case, haven't paid for Burpsuite Professional. I'm going to click on Burpsuite Community Edition, and then I'm going to click on Download. I'm going to open up this one. I'm just going to click Save File, because it's 218 megabytes. So I'm going to click OK. Alright, I am going to pause the video here as I wait for the download, and then I will come back once we are ready to go. Okay guys, so my download has completed. I've downloaded the latest version of Burpsuite. And what we're going to do is we're going to install it. This will actually also resolve our Java runtime error, because this version has been tested with JRE 11.0.11, I think it was. But what we're going to do is we're going to open our terminal. We can either click on this button here, or just press Ctrl-Alt-T, and there we go. This is a terminal, probably one of the most used applications in Linux. And we're currently in the home directory. You can see the folders that are here by pressing L or entering ls. And ls just shows us the folders or the files that are here. You can also just use L or LL for a top-down list. Where we want to go is we want to go download. So there is a command in terminal called cd. It stands for change directory. And you can see I've already put this one in, but cd downloads, and just press enter. So after entering a command and you want to run it, just press enter and then it will execute. And in here we have one file. So I want to use ls so it's a bit clearer. We have Burpsuite Community Linux. What has happened is we've downloaded this file, but it doesn't have the correct permissions. So with Linux, you need to give permissions for things to run. And the way that is we use chmod. I'm going to use the command +x, which makes it an executable, and just Burpsuite. Press tab, you can autocomplete pretty quickly. That way you don't have to type out every character in the file name. I'm going to press enter, and that's basically all we need to do to make it executable, and now we need to run the file itself. So we're going to type in /, and I'm going to type burp, and press tab, and you can autocomplete. Press enter again, and it's going to start running the installer. So here we go. Welcome to the Burpsuite Community Edition setup wizard. Click next. You can choose where you want to install it. I'm going to click next. We have this option to create symlinks. So basically symlinks stand for symbolic links. So you might have a reference to a different file. A good example is a desktop shortcut in Windows where you click on the shortcut and that points to where the executable or the application or the folder is. I'm going to click next. It's going to install. And there we go. That's installed. We're going to click on finish. And we're going to close the terminal by typing in the command exit and pressing enter. Let's close our browser here. And this is actually our old version of Burpsuite. Let me close that. So what we're going to do is we're going to also hide that icon. So if we can search for burp, we can see the old version. I'm going to click on, or right click on, and I'm going to hide application. And this is just a way to unhide the application. We don't want to worry about that. We've already got the new version. I'm going to click on hide application. Then when we type in burp, there it is. And just to make sure nothing's gone wrong, we're going to open up the new version. And looks like good so far. Next, start burp. And we are good to go. And we're going to do one last thing, very important. That is dark mode. Much better. There we go, that's it for this video, guys. Hopefully removed all the error messages or messages from your installation. And that way we can just continue cracking on with learning. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next video.